Laparoscopic equipments. Okay, the laparoscopy surgery, you can see the laparoscopy surgery usually involve the advanced technology requiring several gadgets. So we should concentrate on developing hand-eye coordination skill and pay attention to the equipment working knowledge. So first is your laparoscopy trolley. In the laparoscopy trolley, it is a mobile video cart, okay, that is equipped with locking brakes and has a four anti-static rollers. The trolley has a drawers and 3-4 cells will be there on the top of the trolley. On the top of the trolley, the video, you can see in this image, on the top of the trolley there will be the video monitor will be there, and in there the video monitor unit is kept, and the first cell is the camera control unit with the recording system. In the second shelf, the CO2 insufflator with light source is kept, and in the third cell the hysteroscopic pump is placed. Included on the trolley is an electrical supply termination strip mounted on the rear second shelf from the top. Recently many company also launched that is mounted trolley. This is a mobile trolley. If it is mounted, it is fixed, which are ergonomically better, consume that will consume less space because it is hanging in the air in the OT theaters. So laparoscopy trolley contains monitors. You can see this is the monitor, this is a CO2 insufflator. This is the first shelf is the camera controls unit, that is CCU, and recording system, and the second cell contains the CO2 insufflator and the light source, and the third shelf is contains the hysteroscopic pump. So in the laparoscopy trolley, it is contain monitor, it is contain CO2 insufflator, it is contain camera control unit, light source, and hysteroscopic pump. In the monitors, the laparoscope monitor are different from the TV. It is different from the our monitor, that is TV monitor is different, but it is lasts for a long time. It is a high-end product with at least 600 line resolutions. Monitor with resolutions, there will be a single chip, 3 chips, and SD monitors. So basically in the single chip, that is 600 line resolutions. If it is a 3 chip, there is 900 line resolution. It is SD 1080 and above. For SD, for the optimal resolution is required, and the size of the screen is 88 to 40 inches. What is the 3 chip? In 3 chip there will be red and green, blue wire, so it will cause more natural and colorful image. The basic principle of image refraction is horizontal beam scanning on the face and the picture tube. The plate is coated internally with a fluorescent substance containing phosphorus. The fluorescent substance generates electron when struck by a beam from the electron gun. The beam sweep horizontally and back. So basically the final image depend on the lines of resolution, scanning lines, and pixel and dot phase. The resolution is the sharpness of the image. The horizontal resolution is the number of vertical line that can be seen, and the reversal is the vertical resolution, number of horizontal line. Pixel is the picture element. Picture element is the smallest resolve unit of video image. Number of pixel increase. If the number of pixel increase, the resolution also of the image will be increase. The represented by the camera chip by individual photodiote. Dot is the represent the phosphorus element size. Smaller the dot is the sharpness the image. And the aspect ratio, usually the normal our TV is the 4:3 ratio. In HD TV and latest computer monitor is 16:9 ratio. That will provide a more natural and panoramic view. The complete HD system has a best all component of the highest spatial resolution 19:20 1080, progressive scanning 1080p, and the 16:9 better quality video image. The monitor connecting cables, there are 3 types of cable are available. One is RGB cable and YYC cable. The RGB already I told there will be 3 wire, one for each primary color, red, green, blue, and the 2 wire YRC, one for the luminance and one for the chrominance component. The third cable is the composite cable, has one pair of wires. No matter what type of cable is, the final resolution of the image depends on the monitor, what type of monitor you are using, whether it is a 3D or 4D. Then next is our instrument. The next equipment is the CO2 insert. The first equipment requirement for laparoscopy is the safe provision of pneumoperitoneum to create a space within the abdominal cavity for surgery. The electronic CO2 insufflator figure 2 now used to develop pneumoperitoneum. CO2 is the preferred gas, because what are the point you have to remember here is the CO2 doesn't support combustion. First is does not support combustion. It is a very soluble gas, easily soluble. It is decrease the risk of gas embolism. It is very cheap. So basically CO2, if they will ask for CO2 insufflator, why they are using the CO2, you have to tell this 4 point. One is that it does not support combustion, it is very soluble, it is decrease the risk, it is doesn't support combustion, it is very soluble, it is decrease the risk of gas embolism, and it is very cheap. The next is the panel. What is the CO2 insufflator panel? There is a 3 component, 5 parameters in that panels CO2 insufflator. One is a preset, one is actually intraabdominal pressure, one is flow rate and total volumes, and another is the temperatures. So what is the preset? This is the pressure we set. Okay, this is the pressure which set, which once achieved, Actually, this is the manual pressure we are having set before we are insufflating the abdominal cavity. The insufflation automatically enter the further gas. Once this preset pressure is achieved, then flow rate will be automatically stopped. So RCOG's guideline is recommend that the preset pressure should be 20 to 25 mmHg to attend before entering in the primary trocar by the indirect insertion technique. There is no cardiorespiratory embarrassment in this pressure as long as the patient is supine. Still, so first, very important, the primary trocar should be placed in supine positions, and for the secondary trocar you have to place in the Trendelenburg position. Before changing in the Trendelenburg position, then you have to reduce the pressure, abdominal pressure, to 12 to 15. So initially it's 20 to 25, then 12 to 15. Then actual pressure is the absolute pressure. What is the pressure abdominal cavity after inserting the gas? If the pressure decrease less than the preset, the gas flow will be initiated. The flow rate is CO2 insufflator is the flow rate there kept 2 to 3 liter per minute. The later the flow rate can be increased, require the trocar place. High speed insufflator can deliver up to 30 liter per minute, maintain a preset pressure functioning. Total volume of gas is 4 to 5 liter. To achieve a 12 mmHg pressure, the total volume of gas during surgery vary according to the duration of surgery, the amount of suction during surgery. Temperature, the patient risk of hypothermia due to the rapid flow of gas, cold gas. So and that will decrease the core temperature. So their newer insufflator are designed to overcome this problem. They are equipped to deliver CO2, which is thermoflators by Kalstos, that will maintain the temperature, reduce the fogging also. Then next thing is your light source. It has an important place in video laparoscopy system. Without laparoscopy, without this light you can't do any laparoscopy because illumination is not possible inside the abdominal cavity. So light source has three components. One is a light lamp or ball. This is the lamp or ball. Then another is a heat filter. Then is a condensing lens. Then manual automatical intensity controller. Okay. So first is the lamp. It is a key part of light source. So the light source is considered lamp, ball, heat filter, condensing lens, manual, automatically intensity control unit. Lamp is or ball. It is a key part of light source. Different ball available. One is your halogen, metal halide, xenon, and LED ball. The halogen is a gas-filled quartz ball with a tungsten filament. It gives a yellow color light. 50 watt low voltage of an average life 200 light. Then metal halide. It is a component of earth and halides. Xenon consists of quartz glass, high grade fused silica. There are two electrodes, no filament in the box. High color temperatures of 6000 K correspond to the bright source of sunlight. Then LED is the most commonly used. This is the, so nowadays the LED bulbs are used. Then heat filter, the light lamp produce light, 90-80% is produce heat, so only 2% is light. The heat filter, what is the work of the heat filter? It reduce the heat and provide cooling effect of light as the heat get dissipated, transferred in the cable. The endoscope, the heat is mainly due to the infrared spectrum of light. So if the infrared component through the light tube, then cable will be inter-level heat. So heat filter is introduced to filter the infrared component of the light. Then the condensing lens, this converts the light emitted to the lamp to the area of the light cable units. Manual auto intensity control unit, all light sources have inbuilt circle to adjust the light intensity either manually or automatically. Then next is the light cable. The light cable is used for transmissions of light from light source to abdominal cavity through a telescope. Two type of light cables available. One is a fiber optic, one is a liquid crystal gel. The fiber optic consists of bundle of very fine flexible glass fiber that usually sizes 10 to 25 mm in diameter. These cables are high quality for optical transmission. The liquid crystal is not used in laparoscopy because there is stiff, fragile at the end, cannot be autoclaved. So this cable is used in TV, movie, photography. Next, the principle of the light cable work on the principle of total internal reflection of light. The cable should be handled with care because fiber may break bends which are seen. If the fiber is break, then will be make a dark spot on the monitor. You should fold it gently, making a good circle. Keep it as round box. This cable should not be acutely bent. At the end of the light cable, high intensity heat is produced, so the end of the cable should not be kept to the near to the drapes nor allowed contact with the patient's skin, so that you can prevent the burn. Next is your camera system. The laparoscopic camera is essential for laparoscopy system. We cannot anything without the camera, so we should everything about there will be a camera control unit, then the camera head. This is the camera head, this is the eyepiece, this is the camera control units. Okay, so camera control units, that is the CCU. It is placed on the laparoscopic trolley. To start the laparoscopy, connect the camera cable to CCU for the align arrow and cable connectors. So it will the CCD, the chip in the camera, see the optical image and it is converted to the electrical image. The image then sent through the camera cable to the CCU. After receiving the electrical image, now the CCU will process and transmit picture to the monitor by connecting cable. Then the monitor convert the electrical to the original optical image seen by the human eye. So it has a camera head. It consists of a coupler and a charge coupled device. Coupler couple the telescope and with the CCD. So CC, what is CCD? That is chip is an electrical memory that record light intensity is a variable charge. The couple is named because the CCD comprises an array of imaging pixels that matching array storage pixels that are coupled together. So average content 2,50,000 to 3,80,000 pixels. They are represented the camera chip by individual photodiodes. The laparoscopic camera is available either single chip or three chip. In single chip, three primary colors. I told you in single chip camera, and the three primary camera red, green, blue sensed by the single chip, and in three chip camera all primary colors sensed by the separate chip. In single chip all three color will be sensed by the single chip, primary single chip, but in the three chip camera all the primary colors like red, green separately by the separate chip. Three chip camera has a high resolution, better image quality because pixels number 3 times greater. Then working camera, within the head of the camera image of the object on the chip and CCD that see the image taken by the telescope. The chip has light sensitive photo receive the generated pixels, transfer the incoming photon. I told the SD camera has a new generation camera, high definition camera. This camera provides superior image that is 16:9 format, 1080 resolution. Need SD monitor reproduce the same quality pixel, costly than SD. White balance is needed before insertion in the field the monitor to the white surface, focus the camera so thread are visible, no glare at around 5 cm distance. Press the white balance button. Camera for 3 seconds, hold the image steady on white surface until the tint on the monitor stabilizes for 2 seconds. Focusing laparoscopic camera 10 cm distance from a 10 mm telescope and the 575 5 mm telescope. Type of SD camera and 3D 4K Ultra SD 3D camera system. SD is the standard definition, that is the 4:3 aspect ratio, 640 480 horizontal vertical lens. The main difference is the better visualization and vertical horizontal resolution system. SD system, the new generation camera is 16:9 format and 920 to 1080 resolutions. Need SD monitor reproduce the same quality picture, costly than SD. 4K Ultra SD system, 4 times resolution higher than the full HD, provide 4 times more information than conventional full HD imaging system. 4K Ultra HD is 384, that is double of 920, 1080 to 2160, and complete 4K is 4K Ultra HD 3840 and complete 4K is 4096 into 216. Sharper image with less noise with the 4K XMR CMOS system. Sensor optical fiber transmit high sensitivity compared to the typical CMOS. Sensor less noise, dual noise reduction function without 4K high optical view, fast accurate one touch autofocus, improve operability. 3D camera system. Basically the 3D and the 2D is different by the depth perception. Mainly improve the depth perception, better visuality. 3D versus stereoscope reflect the perception. 3D image save any source of depth information. There will be a two camera have different view of the visual world. For different view setup give you information about the relative depth of the image. That is the third dimension vision. Stereoscopic vision is the simultaneous vision of the two eye producing a visual experience of the third dimension vivid precision. So 2D has a single camera, but 3D has a double cameras, two side by camera stereoscopic image. These two different camera through eyeglass, which will produce depth perceptions. Okay. The signal already tools the flat screen. Telescope, it has a eyepiece. It has telescope has a eyepiece. This is the eyepiece. This is a light port. This is a barrel. This is a objective lens. Okay, to available rigid or flexible. Next, the diameter of the telescope, it is 1.5 to 15 mm. Most commonly used is 10 mm. Diameter telescope in laparoscopy. Smaller diameter give narrow field of vision. Larger diameter better field of wider field of. Number of rod lengths in the barrel is 6 to 18 number of rod lenses. The more number of rod, lesser air gap and better telescope. The angle of telescope view, it can be 0 to 120 degree. Usually we are using 30 and 45 degree, 90 degree. 30 and 45 ability to look at the current, flexible field of vision, on obstructed view of the distance. The next is the recording system, video recording upon teaching aid. It has a record system, so you can record your video. It can teaching learning purpose, and you can see the and after the surgery is open, you can see your what the things you are doing wrong or right. Storage media with microphone, 1SD remote control. Okay, thank you. If energy source kept on separate tutorial, they are discussed in the next chapter. Kindly, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.